2026 is going to be the year where AI decides who grows and who gets left behind. The people who learn how to use AI today will have a massive advantage tomorrow. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use AI tools to make real money in 2026, step by step, with real examples, templates, and workflows you can copy today.
Most people still think AI means just ChatGPT writing essays or generating photos, but its capabilities are rapidly expanding. The truth is, AI is already replacing jobs, automating work processes, and building businesses faster than ever before. Looking ahead to 2026, AI will become even more powerful, transforming industries with groundbreaking innovations. We'll see the rise of video-first AI, sophisticated AI agents that function like employees, and automated content creation. Additionally, personalized digital humans will emerge, further blurring the lines between artificial intelligence and human interaction. Now let's dive into the top 5 ways you can make money using AI in 2026. First, build faceless YouTube or TikTok channels by automating video creation, earning from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Tools like Runway Gen 3, Feed.io, HeyGen, Gigalabs, and Grok can help you from idea generation to video creation without any coding. Here's an example workflow: idea, prompt, script, AI voice, AI video, edit, and upload. This can earn you between $2,000 and $15,000 per month. Next, create AI digital products and print-on-demand items like art, music, or ebooks using tools such as Midjourney, DALL-E, and Suno. You can also offer freelance prompt engineering and automation services, customizing AI for businesses on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, with rates from $75 to $300 per hour. Develop custom AI chatbots and agents using no-code tools like VoiceFlow and BotPress, scaling to multiple clients for significant monthly recurring revenue. Finally, establish AI content agencies to manage social media and marketing for small to medium businesses, potentially earning $15,000 to $100,000 per month. These innovative AI applications offer incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs and content creators to generate substantial income in 2026.
You can offer AI automation services to clients, like content production, chatbot setup, lead generation, or AI video ad creation. Examples include real estate promo videos, coaching or institute promos, and e-commerce product videos. Each client can pay between $500 and $3,000 per month, depending on service complexity.
People don't know what to ask AI. Prompts are the new skill. You can sell prompts on marketplaces like PromptBase, Fiverr, or Gumroad. For example, selling 100 prompts at $10 each gives you $1,000. Bundles and high-quality prompts can earn even more. Showing the before and after AI outputs can make your listing stand out.
Unlock income streams with AI digital products, a smart way for entrepreneurs to generate passive income. Sell ebooks, templates, courses, planners, designs, all crafted with artificial intelligence. AI tools like Canva, Gamma, Notion, Midjourney make creation simple, turning ideas into profitable assets.
Digital influencers are exploding in popularity, transforming how brands connect with their audiences. Brands prefer them because they never age, never ask for more money, and can speak any language, offering unparalleled consistency and reach. Tools like Sora, Runway, HeyGen, and 11 Labs now allow you to create hyper-realistic virtual influencers for sponsorships and brand promotions.
Here's a step-by-step blueprint to start today. Step 1. Pick a niche: fitness, finance, motivation, travel, or tech. Step 2. Use AI tools to create content. Example: prompt: create a 45-second motivational script for students in emotional tone, ending with a powerful line and CTA to share the video. Step 3. Build your automation pipeline. Write script, generate voice, create video, edit, upload, repurpose. Step 4. Monetize by YouTube ads, affiliate products, digital products, or client automation services.
People fail because they quit too early, or they learn tools but never apply them. Consistency and execution always beat talent and ideas. The key is to act every day and keep improving. You don't need to compete. You need to innovate. Use AI as your partner, not your replacement. The future belongs to creators who act today.
If you want step-by-step tutorials, prompts, tools, and real workflows, subscribe to Maxtro AI right now. Turn on notifications. A lot of powerful content is coming. This is just the beginning. The future belongs to creators.